Hello and happy February 1st. I know, every time you click on a video, I have new hair. 2020 has gotten off to quite a start. We have witnessed some of the most devastating wildfires in Australia, and this week the world lost one of its biggest basketball heroes. Tim and I have been considering doing this for a long time and have been pushing this off because we feel, you know, when you procrastinate in order for perfection, it's one of those types of things. So while we still don't feel like this is the biggest deal in the world, the reason why we're popping on here is to let you know how you are contributing. In January here on YouTube, we posted 8 videos. On those 8 videos, we elect that Google, YouTube may play advertising before, during, or after that video. What we want to do is take all the money earned from those advertisements on those videos and donate them to the Australia Wildlife Relief. It's not going to change the world. Those 8 videos made $144, and we also want to take all of our monthly income from our Patreons. Thank you, Derek, Steven, and Marie, who have contributed $15 this month. We'll be matching that and adding it into the mix for a total donation of $174, again, to the Australian Wildlife Relief. We wish we had a bigger number to share in this dramatic way on a YouTube video, but at the end of the day, it's something. So we are just going to start. Every month we're going to find someplace new to donate to, and this month we will be donating to Wires. Wires is listed here as Australia's largest wildlife rescue organization. I will put the link in the description box below, but they donate 100% of the profits to wildlife relief. So if you want to check them out, you can use the link below. Not affiliated with them or anything. This just looked like a very reputable organization to donate to. So that's it. That's the big dramatic announcement video. We just wanted to tell you because it is because of you watching the advertisements that we are able to do that. So don't skip the ads before this video. If there's another one playing here at the end, because we will use the profits from this video as well and add it into the January mix. We're planning on doing this again in February, so thank you to you. It's all because of you. We are just the vehicle to get it over to the right spot. So be kind to someone today, and thanks for watching.